just woke up, and Tim looked out the window, and there's so much snow outside, so he's shoveling, and he's going to be late for work. Yep. Someone else's car's not starting. Whose car's not starting?
I don't know. I need to put my boots on.
No.
What's he doing? Daddy shoveling snow?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see if we can watch him. Well, it's hard to see, but... Well, there's my car, like, completely covered. Oh my gosh. And it's just, like, coming down everywhere, and look at you can see. Alright guys, day 2 of potty training here. Let's talk the chronicles of Timmy. Let's see what he thinks. Timmy, what are your thoughts on using the potty?
I'm a big boy.
You are a big boy. Do you go pee-pee in the potty?
Yeah.
You don't go pee-pee in your underpants, do you? No. Kaya, what do you think? Should we say congratulations, Timmy, day 2? Yeah. Whoa, you whacked it. I'm really proud of Timmy. He is seriously such a big boy. We had a couple accidents yesterday. Of course we did. It was day 1. But we're already on day 2, and it's 9:30-ish. I don't even know what time it is. Which means Kaya needs to go night-nights. But he hasn't had an accident yet today, and I'm so proud. But we'll see how this goes, guys. Wish us luck. Yay! Potty training. Woo! Potty training. Potty training. Kaya, see? Potty training. Potty training. You're too busy playing. You're going to go.
I don't know today.
You're going to go outside?
Yes, outside with my shovel.
With your shovel? Are you excited?
With my shovel, though.
Are you excited? Huh? You're so excited. Where'd you go? You've never seen this much snow.
Yeah.
Hey, boo. Timmy's never seen this much snow in his entire life, and it's going to be his first time in snow up to his knees. Can you hear me? There are many things in life that entertain children, this being one of them. Get him. I don't really know why. It's just entertaining, guys. Alright, we're going to ask Timmy some questions about this winter storm that we had today. So let's start with this. Timmy, have you ever seen as much snow as you saw today? Okay. Good answer. Let's move on to question 2. Did you like the snow?
Yeah. No, I bet
Okay,
no.
I can see that.
I bet no.
Did you play in the snow?
I bet no.
Did you touch it?
No. I got it.
Oh. And was it hot or cold?
No, it's not hot.
What?
It's hot.
The snow was hot.
No, it's warm.
It was warm?
It's warm.
I don't know about that. Was the snow cold?
No, not good.
Oh, snow is cold. I don't think he understands hot and cold yet.
Remember you were eating the snow? It was cold.
Did you eat the snow? Wow. Did you help Daddy shovel?
Oh, when did you make this?
Hours ago.
Yeah,
You helped Daddy shovel. And do you think you'll want to play in the snow again sometime?
yeah.
Was it exciting?
Yes,
Yeah. And are you a big boy that goes... Oh, Are you a big boy that goes pee-pee in the potty?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you awesome?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are all of our subscribers awesome?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And if they're not subscribed, they should probably go click the subscribe button right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Timmy, say subscribe.
Bye.
And we'll see you tomorrow. Oh, I don't think they can hear you if you whisper.
Keep moving.
Yeah, see you tomorrow. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.